you pull out, you know, just put it, set in your waypoint. It's going to calculate the route. It's going to show you if there's any hazards in the way, shallow water. If there's pieces of the route you don't like, you can actually move one of the waypoints, and that's really cool to have that flexibility. If for whatever reason you needed to, you could move the route left or right. So if you wanted to avoid something because you felt you were too close to land or something, that was a really cool feature to have. And so we shifted the entire vessel over to the left during our little waypoint testing here, which is really awesome. As for the docking, it worked really, really good, just like a charm. We went over to our fuel dock, and super simple. Click the button, click where you want to dock on the dock, and the boat did everything by itself. Definitely looking forward to docking. Right, docking's always a nightmare, so having that is an awesome setup for any vessel. And for the auto nav is super good for us here in the intercoastal because we do go all the way up north towards Dania, Fort Lauderdale. So here in this situation, it's one of the best features I think to have on this vessel.